Hey, um, today I will be going over a Amazon AWS cloud service that I use to make a Cloud Notes manager. And essentially, what this Cloud Notes manager is, it's like a Google Drive but better. It's meant to handle videos, Excel files, images, JPGs, whatever type of file you want. And it's designed to do it cheaper than if you had to pay Google Drive for more storage. And so this is, if you have a lot of videos or if you have a lot of images, this would be a good software for you to use. And so I just want to talk about some of the changes I've made since last time. I've implemented a more robust interface and different features. And so I added this is probably my favorite one that I added, was I created a version control file so that I can save a version and then I can access the versions I have in a list, and then I can call a function to choose the version I want, and then I can revert the document. So it would be like having a control Z. And so I'm pretty proud about the interface I made, and that I learned how to use SQL in Java, where I hadn't known how to use that before. I just highlighted the SQL exception library, but what you really need is all of these four. Once you have those, you can also use SQL in your code. I will say I'm going to use another program that I have over here to be able to talk about some of the architectural decisions I made that I'm not happy about. So right now I'm using a structured database in SQL where I have a schema that I've shown in the past video that essentially has a unique ID for each file type, the file type like an enum, the file content. And what I didn't realize is that when you select something in SQL, it will give you the content for that cell. So if I say select content where file type is equal to Excel and maybe date time is equal to this day or this time, what it will do is it will read me the whole content of that file. And that is not good. That is bad. So I talked to an industry professional, and he shared with me a service called S3 that I can use and I can implement, that's by Amazon, that's focused on solving this problem. And so I'll be trying to learn a bit more about that and also implementing test cases. I have a folder here for my interface and seeing if I need to refactor anything or go back into AWS. But that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed.